everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with the craft haul video. I believe this will be my last video for the clearance markdown from Hobby Lobby. Hopefully it will be. I have items to share with you. So some of the items I've already taken the red sticker off because it drives me crazy, and plus I'm going to gift some of these items to some friends, so I didn't want the red sticker on there. But picked up this Ideology Tim Holtz label tape, so it's just like with letters and numbers. I thought that was pretty cool. And then from Stickabilities, LOL, these designer labels. I thought these may be cute to like put a sentiment on for a card front, or maybe just for my planner. Super cute. And I picked up several packs of stickers, and I got these little La Petite dimensional stickers, 8-piece. They're shakers. Super cute. These little puppy dogs. These 93-piece Stickabilities. I just think that fish is so cute. These are for a friend. Actually for a friend's daughter. So I think she's going to love these. And these Stickabilities. We have the sloth here and toucan. And you've seen these. I picked up these from the Paper Studio, these Stickabilities. This is a repeat purchase. And then the mermaids, very cute. And these dinosaurs, I think my nephew will like these. And these puffy stickers, super cute with the little weenie dog, the male. I may keep these for myself. And then the little globe and the all-star looking tennis shoes. I definitely am keeping these. And then I picked up these alphabets stickers, and they have like a hammered look. That's a really good shot right there. These are super cool, and this is a repeat purchase for me. I also picked up from Tim Holtz this black paper stack, and it's 24 sheets, and it was like $2.19 or something crazy. And it's really thick, heavy cardstock black paper, but I do believe it's going to have a brown core or a white core maybe. I'm not sure, so it'll be interesting to try this out. And then my store, local store, actually had some dies that I was able to pick up. And I picked up these little this little snowman for next Christmas. Or this coming Christmas, huh? And then this one, it's the Santa. I love the beard. Oh, I guess you can look on the back and see what they look like. Cute. And then this is the snowman. Cute. And then I got the little reindeer. No way would I've ever paid $14.99 for these. So $3.24 I thought was a super deal. And there he is. And then I picked up this one. I think I saw Melissa on Mo Creates. I think that's her channel. And she showed these, and they were so adorable. So I was so happy that I had picked up this die. And then I picked up the red birds here. This is by Momenta. It's a 9-piece set. These are really pretty. And so that's for next year. So that is my, what I hope to be, last Hobby Lobby clearance haul for a while. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.